Imagine this. You wake up, grab a coffee, and check your phone. Orders are rolling in for your unique merchandise. Each notification is a testament to your creativity and hard work. Not a bad way to start the day, right? It's a feeling of accomplishment and excitement knowing that your ideas are resonating with people around the world. This isn't a pipe dream. It's the reality of countless individuals who've tapped into the power of online merch, from artists to influencers and even hobbyists. People from all walks of life are finding success. This is about creating a business on your terms, fueled by your creativity, and earning $200 a day or more. Imagine the freedom and flexibility that comes with being your own boss. Selling merch isn't just for big companies anymore. The internet has leveled the playing field. Now, anyone with a passion and a plan can dive into this lucrative market. With some hustle and the right strategies, anyone can design, market, and sell their own products. It's about leveraging the tools and platforms available to you and turning your ideas into tangible products. The best part, you don't need a warehouse full of inventory or a huge marketing budget. Thanks to print-on-demand services and social media marketing, you can start small and scale up as you grow. This essay is your roadmap to building a successful merch business. We'll guide you through the process, step by step, ensuring you have all the knowledge and tools you need. We'll break down each step from finding your niche to marketing your products. Understanding your audience and what they want is crucial to your success. We'll keep it simple, actionable, and most importantly, focused on helping you reach that $200 a day goal. With clear, concise steps, you'll be able to implement strategies that work. Ready to take control of your income and unleash your entrepreneurial spirit? Let's dive in. The journey to financial independence and creative fulfillment starts here. The beauty of the merch business is the endless possibilities. You can sell anything from t-shirts and mugs to phone cases and tote bags. But before you get lost in a sea of product ideas, it's crucial to find your niche. What are you passionate about? What communities do you belong to? What problems can you solve with a unique product? Think about your hobbies, interests, and even your frustrations. Are you a coffee lover? Design a funny mug that resonates with other caffeine addicts. Passionate about sustainability? Create eco-friendly tote bags with a powerful message. Remember, your niche should excite you. It's much easier to market and sell products you genuinely believe in. Plus, authentic passion shines through and attracts customers. So what's your unique spark? It's time to find it and let it fuel your merch business. You found your niche and you're buzzing with ideas. This is an exciting phase where creativity flows and possibilities seem endless. But having ideas is just the beginning. Now, it's time to bring those ideas to life with eye-catching designs. Your designs should not only be visually appealing, but also functional and aligned with your brand's identity. Remember, your merch is a visual representation of your brand. It needs to grab attention, communicate your message, and make people want to show it off. Think of it as a walking billboard for your brand. Don't worry if you're not a design whiz. There are tons of resources available to help you create stunning designs. Online tools and platforms have made it easier than ever to bring your vision to life. Canva and Adobe Spark offer user-friendly interfaces with templates and design elements to get you started. These tools are perfect for beginners and can help you create professional-looking designs without a steep learning curve. If you have a bigger budget, consider hiring a freelance designer from platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. A professional designer can bring a level of polish and expertise that can elevate your products. When designing your products, Keep your target audience in mind. Understanding their preferences and tastes is crucial for creating designs that resonate with them. What kind of aesthetics do they appreciate? Are they drawn to bold, vibrant colors, or do they prefer a more minimalist approach? Knowing this can guide your design choices. What colors, fonts, and imagery will resonate with them? The right combination can evoke emotions and create a strong connection with your audience. Think about the overall message you want to convey and ensure your designs reflect that message clearly and creatively. Your designs should tell a story that aligns with your brand values. Remember, your designs are the heart and soul of your merch. They are what will make your product stand out in a crowded market. Invest time and effort in creating products that are visually appealing, on brand, and irresistible to your target market. The more thought and care you put into your designs, the more likely your products will be a hit with your audience. With your designs ready to go, it's time to build your online storefront. Thankfully, setting up shop has never been easier. There are numerous platforms specifically designed for selling merch, each offering different features and pricing plans. Print-on-demand services like Printful and Printify are excellent options for beginners. They handle everything from printing to shipping, allowing you to focus on designing and marketing. Simply upload your designs, connect your store, and they'll take care of the rest. If you want more control over your brand and customer experience, consider creating your own website using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms offer more customization options, but require a bit more technical know-how. No matter which platform you choose, ensure it's user-friendly, offers secure payment processing, and integrates seamlessly with your chosen marketing channels. Your online shop is your virtual storefront, so make it inviting, easy to navigate, and reflective of your brand identity. You've got amazing products and a sleek online store, but having great products and a beautiful website is just the beginning. The real challenge lies in getting people to visit your store and make a purchase. Now, it's time to shout it from the rooftops, or at least the internet. You need to let the world know about your fantastic offerings. This is where marketing comes into play. Marketing is crucial for driving traffic to your shop and turning browsers into buyers. Without effective marketing, even the best products can go unnoticed. It's all about visibility and engagement. Social media is your best friend. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are powerful tools for reaching a wide audience. They allow you to connect with potential customers in a more personal and engaging way. Create engaging content showcasing your products in action. Show how they can be used in everyday life, highlight their unique features, and demonstrate their benefits. This helps potential customers visualize themselves using your products. Utilize high-quality photos, videos, and even user-generated content to create a buzz around your brand. Encourage your customers to share their experiences and tag your brand. This not only builds trust, but also creates a sense of community. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different platforms and content formats. Try out live videos, stories, and even interactive posts. The more diverse your content, the more likely you are to capture the interest of different audience segments. Paid advertising on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest can also be highly effective in reaching your target audience. These ads can be tailored to specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring that your message reaches the right people. These platforms allow you to target your ads based on demographics, interests, and even online behavior, ensuring your message reaches the right people. Collaboration is key. Partnering with influencers or other businesses can significantly boost your reach. Partner with influencers or other businesses in your niche to expand your reach and tap into new customer bases. Influencers already have a loyal following, and their endorsement can lend credibility to your brand. Offer exclusive discounts and promotions to incentivize purchases and encourage word-of-mouth marketing. Limited time offers create a sense of urgency, prompting customers to act quickly. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process. It's not something you do once and forget about. You need to continuously engage with your audience and keep your brand top of mind. Continuously analyze your results, experiment with different strategies, and adapt your approach based on what works best for your brand and target market. Use analytics tools to track your performance and make data-driven decisions. This will help you refine your strategies and achieve better results over time. Pricing your merch strategically is crucial for maximizing profits and reaching your $200 per day goal. You want to find the sweet spot where customers perceive value and you're earning a healthy profit margin. Research your competition and see how they're pricing similar products. Consider your costs, including production, shipping, and marketing expenses, and factor those into your pricing strategy. Don't undervalue your work. Offer different product variations and pricing tiers to cater to different budgets and preferences. For example, you could offer a basic t-shirt design at a lower price point and a premium version with additional features or higher quality materials at a higher price. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pricing strategies, such as offering discounts, bundles, or limited time promotions. Monitor your sales data closely to see what resonates with your customers and adjust your pricing accordingly. Remember, pricing is not a one-time decision. It's an ongoing process that requires careful consideration, market research, and a willingness to adapt based on customer behavior and market trends.